With Vivi's Share Screen Timer feature, teachers can place a timer overlay onto the classroom display while sharing their screen. This feature is available while in share screen mode and while sharing a whiteboard. To use a share screen timer, begin sharing the screen. From the floating toolbar, select Timer. Set the timer length by using the plus and minus buttons or by typing in the timer duration. Choose if the timer will show in the top right or bottom left of the display, then select the play icon to start the timer. Once the timer starts, it will be displayed as an attachment on the bottom of the floating toolbar and as an overlay on the classroom display. A blue duration bar will gradually decrease, giving a visual representation of how long is left on the timer. The timer can be paused, stopped, or moved to a different location on the classroom display. In the final 5 seconds, the timer bar will change to yellow. At the end of the timer, a short audio notification will play. If using a version of the Vivi app that does not shrink into the floating toolbar, the timer icon will be available at the bottom of the app when sharing your screen. Once started, the timer will be displayed on the right-hand side of the app.